expensive ocean water. It's like Dippin' Dots from the sea.
That makes more sense. It's really good.
Yum yum. Are you excited?
Yes.
What are you excited for?
Caviar.
Yum yum.
And chimkin.
Chimkin. Let's see what we've got inside. So it comes packaged with ice. Never got caviar before, by the way, so I don't know what I'm doing. We got some caviar. We got the Ositra, I'm not sure how to pronounce it, caviar. I was told it was good with fried chicken. And then we got rainbow trout caviar. Major price difference. This is $95 Canadian for 30 grams. And this is $30 Canadian for 100 grams. So I'm curious to see the difference. Obviously this is the fancy stuff. But yeah, it should be fun. I'm gonna try it on some fried chicken and I'll try it by itself. I just learned that you can't use a metal spoon. Luckily I have some plastic cutlery. But in the future, yeah, you can get like plastic little spoons at the place. I just kind of didn't think about it and didn't know. So yeah, tip, don't use metal spoons or they'll taste really gross apparently. Yum yum.
Today we're trying caviar of two varieties. The extreme luxury, sturgeon, and trout. Trout looks like little big Masago balls. That looks like shit. Toast. I don't know if this is a lot, but you gotta like pop them on your tongue to taste what they are. They're little beads of seawater. That's it. Okay. And this is rich people caviar because we're rich. Is that a lot? I don't know. It's much smaller. I was not expecting it to be worse. It's like someone, it tastes like if you get stung by a jellyfish and then someone has to pee on it and you're just like ready to receive. It tastes like ocean pee. That's awful.
That it? Hey Jared, how did you make this?
I did an egg wash, and then I did a rosemary flour with rock salt, and got the vegetable oil to about 375 degrees, nice and good, and threw it in.
Yum yum?
No. making a Belgian waffle, which is usually done with a slight meringue. We separate the egg yolk and the egg white, and you whisk it until the egg white makes a nice firm peak, and you put that in with the rest of the batter. It makes it a really nice and fluffy waffle, like the one we got going right here.
Alright, we got this hot ass chicken out. And then we're gonna grab some caviar. We're gonna slide that bitch on. And I like it. Ocean water on chicken. I have no other way to describe this. It's what it is. And now we go for the expensive ocean water. It's like Dippin' Dots from the sea. Expensive stuff. That makes more sense. It's really good. It's like saltier ocean water on chicken.
So I've got some waffles, fried chicken, and my idea was, why don't we add caviar? Because I saw David Chang do it, and Action Bronson did it. So let's see how it is. Is there syrup on this? I got syrup with it, so this is gonna be a flavor explosion. Chicken's good, but the caviar is weird. I'm just getting explosion of seafood with chicken. I don't get it. I feel like this is something that people like because it's expensive, but it's not good. But I'll try it with this one. This is the exact, I was told this Ostera, or I don't know how to pronounce it. This is what Momofuku uses on their fried chicken, is this brand of, or this type of caviar, I'm not sure. The dog really wants some. Okay. It's not my thing. People that really like seaweed in foods, like they get ramen with a bunch of seaweed and all that kind of stuff, they're gonna love this. It's just not my flavor palette. I can see why some people like it. I don't like the fishy taste with fried chicken. It just seems like it shouldn't be there. But I know people in my life that would be like, this is really good. Let's try it with a waffle, for the heck of it. Waffle. Caviar. I'm sure this is sacrilegious. Chicken. It's even worse. Oh my god. Why do people like this?
Alright, I hate caviar round 2. I already don't want to do it. Like, I'd rather eat a raw egg. Rich person caviar from a fish. This one's not for you, Niska. Let's do both. Let's do the tiger fuck right here. Tiger King.
Oh yeah. Okay, some waffle, some rainbow trout, tuna, egg thing, some black. Oh yeah, who doesn't love a Tiger King?
Okay. I hate myself. You love this shit, don't you? Like a lick the barnacle's asshole. Ah. All right, what other gross rich people shit can we try next?
Well, what did we learn today? What did we learn? I don't get it. What did I learn? Jared makes really good homemade waffles and really good fried chicken. What else I learned? Don't add caviar to it. I'm sure a bunch of people are gonna be like, try other things on it. Maybe. But it doesn't go well with fried chicken, and it doesn't go well with waffles. But the main thing is it doesn't go well with fried chicken. Gross. Good. Gross. Good. Gross. Gross. Together. Well, thank you for watching. You try this.